guys, my sister-in-law is here. Let me draw the scissors. Anyways, my sister-in-law is here, and but she went to church. Okay, her service. She is a Sabbatarian. Okay, so her church service is Saturday. So she went to church. When she's back, probably you guys are gonna see her if she permits, because she's a shy person. Guys, this is what I got. This is tomato, shombo, pepper, and what do they call it, ginger and garlic. Okay, so I was in the market. I noticed that and there was no light again, so I decided to just grind it there. So this is it. I've blended all of them together. I'll pour it inside the pot now so that it can start boiling. Then I got this roll. I still have like 2 rolls of this, but I wanted to buy that concombre. I said no, let me just buy this one so I can have extra. So I got 4 eggs to add up. This is my small meat. This meat is 1.5 like this. You can imagine 1,500 naira meat in Port Harcourt. Let me know what your area is. I got 1 penny. Every other stuff I have in the house. There was no change left. I was having 20 naira, so I used my 20 naira to collect Maggi. Because these days, even 10 naira, we cannot dash it out, okay? So I told you, my beg, if you don't get change, I beg, give me Maggi and no fish out. So she gave me 2-star Maggi. I don't like star, but I will love it today. So anyways, these are the stuffs, okay? So let's just start prepping and cooking. I want to show you guys that I already boiled my rice. This yam was the leftover this afternoon. So my brothers and sisters, I cannot waste it. I added it inside so that I'll eat it later, okay? I don't want to boil it separately. So yeah. You're welcome. fast on the video. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel or the vlog. Anyways, my sister-in-law is here. I told you guys she's a very shy person, so and I respect her privacy, so that's why I'm not filming all of that video. She has stayed here for like 3 days now, and it's something to be grateful for. Anyways, this morning I want to make oatmeal and pancakes for her, so I just want to get into doing all of that right now so that I'll be carrying you guys along. Okay, just leave this wrapper like this. I wash all my clothes, not like everything in the wardrobe, like the one I slept with yesterday, my nights that I slept with yesterday, I was washing this morning, so I have to wash it, and I decided to tie this wrapper and then do this intro and then do this video. Okay, you guys will also see the real part of our life. So with that being said, let's start doing the pancakes and enjoying the rest of this vlog. Yeah. I just want to quickly make this bed and then clean up the house. Today I'll be going with my sister-in-law to my mom-in-law's place, and before I go I just want to make sure I prepare soup for my hubby, so that in as much as he'll be eating other things, he will have soup. Okay, because I don't know, probably I'll just stay 2-3 days there. I don't know for now. Okay, I've not concluded, so let me just get into making this bed, and then after that we'll just know the next thing. Enjoy.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. Got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
if I play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never